No matter how good you are, you'll always be the bad guy. So why not be a bad guy? It's not so bad being bad, boy. Instead of being considerate, tell a bitch no time for stories. Just let me see them tits and jump in the ass a bit. Ha, no time for jokes, it ain't funny. Do so much coke, my dick gon' leave your pussy with a nummy. I don't mean to be this way. I would love to treat you like a lady, but the way you turn me down got me wanting to be an asshole lately. I really am a gentleman, but quit being shallow and maybe then you'll see that again. I mean, I give you a 10, you really are beautiful, but the bitch you're being makes that disputable. Yeah, that's right. It's been too long, but now I'm back. Blizzard B on the track, motherfucker.